A quick revision of addition and subtraction of fractions. Then we go to
Didn't we just do that yesterday?
No, we
a
didn't.
quick revision,
Oh, subtraction.
subtraction.
We've already done addition.
iPad down, please. Shut it down. That's good. Okay. See, if you are taking, say, 3/5 plus 1/5. You know that if the denominators are same, then straight away you have to add the numerators. So 3 and 1, you get 4 and denominator is 5. Always we write the same. Okay? What is same? I repeat, if the denominators are same, you have to add the numerators and we write the same denominator. And if I'm taking, say, 3/4 plus 4/7 is given. If the denominators are not same, what we have to do is, you have to take this denominator and multiply here, and take this denominator and multiply here. So you get that 21/28 plus 16/28. Now notice that the denominators are the same. No iPad, please. No iPad, please. Yes. Yeah. You're right. So you get the 37/28. This is not a proper fraction, then we have to convert this one into a mixed fraction. That is fine. Okay. No, for time being it is not required. Just as a quick revision. Okay. When it comes to subtractions, please don't disturb us. Right? Yes.
I'm gonna say
See, let's say 5/7 minus 2/7 is given. In subtractions also, we have to see whether the denominators are same or not. If so, straight away you can subtract the numerators. Then you get that it is 5 minus 2, it is 3/7. Remember, we write the same denominator. If the denominators are same, we subtract only the numerators part. We don't touch the denominators. If the denominators are different, so what we do is, we multiply with this denominator here times 4, and with this denominator we multiply here, then you get 20/28 minus 7/28. It is as good as addition. Now here the denominators are same, then what you have to do is, you have to subtract. When you subtract, you get the 27 minus is 13, and the denominator will be the same.
and it's a proper fraction.
This is what you learned the last few sections. Yes, please.
That's a proper.
It's a proper fraction. Yes. Now, when it comes to multiplications, let's say 3/4 times 5/7 is given. The condition is so simple, that is, you have to multiply top with the top, and you have to multiply bottom with the bottom. I mean to say that you have to multiply numerator with numerator. These two you have to multiply. In additions and subtractions, we have to check whether the denominators are the same or not. No iPads, please. No iPads and no phone. Okay. See, we have to check whether the denominators are the same or not. If not, we have to convert them to the same denominator. But when it comes to multiplication, you need not bother about the denominators. Straight away, you can multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. You may memorize as top is multiplied with top. Here, bottom is multiplied with bottom. This way. So, what will you get means, you get here 15 over 28. I'm giving one more example. Let's take 12 over 7 times 14, not 14, 21 over 4. Yes, please. Okay, okay. See, here, if you multiply the denominator 7 times, okay, okay, right, okay. Just let me give. Wait, wait, wait. Shh. Come here. This will be good. Okay.
Why are you leaving?
T-Y? T-A. Okay.
You're more
Okay. Here, the denominator is 7 times 4. It gives you 28. Next, when you multiply 12 times 21, yes, please.
Say answer 142.
Not 142. 252. So it is 252. You may multiply here. 12 times 21. 12 times 1 it is 12. 1 is left. 12 times 2 is 24 and 1 it is 252. Is it in the simplest form or not? No. So, with what we have to divide? See, when it comes to this kind of questions, I'm happy with you all. With you all. Please pay attention. Yes. What I have done is, straight away I have taken the complete 12 table. Right? If you take 12 times 1, how much?
is 2.
12 times 1,
Well,
12. So 2 is copied here and 1 is copied here. Okay? Then 12 times 2, how much? 24, and this 1 is added, then it comes 25.
okay.
Okay? Okay. Now, first of all, is this 252 in its simplest form or not?
No.
Then with what we have to divide?
Wait. Divide.
Okay, so you want to divide it by 2, then if you divide it by 2, what will you get? 2 times 1, you get 2, 2 times 2 it is 4, 2 times 6, 2 ones 2, then 2 fours. Can you divide these two by any number?
7? No.
Yes? Great answer. Great. Yes, please. Yes. Yes, you can divide by 2. If you divide this one by 2 means 2 times 6, then 2 times 3, 14 divided by 2. Now can you divide these two? Yes, please. You are very close. Yes? Yes, you can divide by 7. So 63 divided by 7 is 9 and 7 divided by 7 is 1. So the answer is 9. But instead of doing all these steps, there is a shortcut. There is a shortcut. See, how can you write this 12? How can you write this 12? Like prime factors. How can you write 12? Can you split it into small numbers? How? Correct? Or else, I'm taking in simple terms, you may take 4 times 3, that is 12. Agreed? Then, denominator 7, let it be 7 only. How can you break this 21? How can you break this 21? Is it like 2 times what? 7 times 3. Okay. Then, how about the denominator? Let it be 4. It's a small number. Now, what you can do is look at the numbers diagonally. If there are any same values, you may strike them off. I repeat, look at these numbers. If there are some values, please stop. You please get up. You go there and see. There.
Right there.
Yes. See, here, if the values are same, diagonally, you can see that 4 here, you can see 4 here. So, you may cancel. And can you see some numbers like diagonally? No. How about these two? They are same. You can strike them off. So, straight away, you get the answer. 3 times 3 is 9. So, you need not follow all these steps. Is this clear? I'll give one more question of this type. Let's take 15 over 40 times 35 over 18. Okay? Now, when you take these numbers, it is as per the rule, top is multiplied with top and bottom is multiplied with bottom. That is the general rule. But you get two big numbers, and again it is difficult to make them into, bring them to the simplest form. So, how can you break the numerator here? If you take 15, how can you write this one? Yes?
3 times 5.
It's good answer. 3 times 5. How will you write 14?
14.
Yes. Yes, please. 7 times 2. Good. Then I'm taking the second part. This 35. How will you write? Yes, please. 7 times 5. Okay. Then how will you write the denominator? Yes, please. 9 plus 9. Yes. 9 times 2. See, what I'm trying to see is here, are there any same values?
No.
You can see 7 is there and 7 is here. We have to see diagonally. Okay? So 7 and 7 I can strike off. Okay? Then, can you see something here same kind?
No.
But we can break this 9 as, see this one. Instead of writing 9, can you write this one as 3 times 3?
Yeah.
So what happens is, you can strike this 3 and this 3. Agreed? Then, what is the final answer means, now, I cannot cancel anything diagonally here, and I cannot cancel anything diagonally. So, then I'll end up with 5 times 5 is 25. Can you see that 5 times 5 and the denominator is 2 times 3? It's not the first time talking to you. Please shut down your iPad first.
Shut down.
Okay. Okay. Numerator 5 times 5 is 25. Denominator 2 times 3. It is 6. 6 times 2, 12. So that the final answer will be easy for you. 25 over 12. As you know that it is not in this, is it mixed fraction or improper fraction or proper fraction? What is, it is improper. Can you convert this one into mixed fraction?
Yes.
Okay. You know that 25 we have to take it and divide by 12. How many times it goes? 2 times. Then you get 24. 1 is left. So it is, the answer is 2. 1 over 12 is the answer. So while multiplying, if the numbers, if you cannot split anymore, like 3 cannot be split, 4 is fine, okay, 5 and 7. So straight away you can multiply top with top and bottom with bottom. That's the rule. But if the numbers are big, you think of breaking them like this so that becomes easy for you to get the final answer. Okay? Next, let me take division. This is slightly tricky. Division. How is this?
That's a person.
Okay. Then
That's person upside down.
upside down. So you understood the relation between these two. Okay. In math, we call this one as the reciprocal. We call this one as reciprocal. Okay. So what is reciprocal means? If I'm taking 2 over 3, what is the reciprocal of this number? Yes, please. It is 3 over 2. Okay. So what we have to do is just you have to flip the numbers, right? Okay. I'm taking 4 over 7. What is the reciprocal of this one? Yes?
7/4.
It is 7 over 4. Good. I'm taking 8 over 9. Then, yes please?
9/8.
9 over 8. Okay. Then, that's it. Now, why this reciprocal is explained means that there is a relation between division and reciprocal. I'm taking, say, 2 over 3 is divided by 5 over 7. Okay? What you have to do is, you have to flip the second part. You have to flip the second part, or you call it as, you have to take the reciprocal. You have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Good morning. Okay, right. So you have to take the reciprocal of the second part. So when you flip the second one, what will you get here? 5 over 7 will change as, yes, 7 over 5. So when you are dividing, what you have to do is, you have to flip the second fraction, and instead of division, you have to take the symbol of times. Yes, please.
This gum on this chair.
What?
This gum on this chair.
So change your place. You may come here. See, I'm taking 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 7. Then here, what you have to do is, flip the second fraction. 5 over 7 will change as 7 over 5. This division sign will change as times. Now times means you know how to do it. Straight away multiply top with top. Then it is 14. And denominators, when you multiply bottom with bottom, you get 15. Any questions? Okay. Then who can explain this one back to me? How to do a division? Yes, please. If you want, you can try.
The way is you take a fraction, 5 over 6, and flip the numbers.
Which one? Is it the first part or the second part? Yes, that we have to specify. Right? Good. Okay, who else? Yes, please.
First you like do 6 over 13. Switch them, and then what comes next?
Mm-hmm.
Like you 36, you switch them, and then you multiply your 2.
Okay. Who else can try? Can you try? How to do this one? Okay. I'm taking one more. Let's take 3 over 5 is divided by 8 over 11. So what you have to do is, you have to flip the second part. You have to flip the second part. So you have to make it upside down. So what will you get here? 8 over 11 will change as 11 over 8. And the first one is same, 3 over 5 as 3 over 5. But remember, this division sign will change as times. Now you know times means straight away we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with the denominator. Or else you can say that top with top and bottom with bottom. 3 times 11 is 33 and denominator is 5 times 8 is 40. That's the answer. Now few questions are there. You may take and solve these questions. Now, yes. Your time starts now.
Comments?
Yes, you can do it on the